For the KING lathe, you might want to put your own labels here, because there's a lot of switches. I'm not sure exactly what they're for. This you're not going to use. This you're going to leave in this position here and not use these at all. This is an on and off switch. So this light will be on with power. There's also a main electrical panel switch. So now you're on. This is for the spindle for forward and reverse. In this direction here, it's actually forward, not left hand. This is forward direction. This will stop the spindle. And this is reverse. Forward. So you only really need this switch here, and you're on and off, and you're cooling if you need cooling. For the variable speed, you're going to use the hand wheel. For the movement here, for the cross, it's going to be out and up. For the carriage itself, it's going to be in and down. To change the direction of your feeding, I'm going to stop the spindle. I'm going to put this in the up position. I got to put the phone down to adjust the spindle. Now we're in the up position. And now we're feeding the opposite direction. For your wiring, so right now it's running single phase 220. It has 2 hot wires and 1 ground. So we put a new cable on. We connected the phase converter. So you just need to worry about a cable here and your plug. So these are your 2 hots, the 2 reds, and you have 1 ground. And you can put whatever length cord you need and then whatever plug you need. And you have all the tools.